We'll guide you through how to identify bias in ChatGPT. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open the OpenAI website and log into your account if you're not already logged in. Once you're in, go to the ChatGPT section where you can start a new chat. Begin by initiating a conversation with ChatGPT and pay close attention to the responses it gives. To identify bias, you need to start by asking questions or presenting scenarios that may have different perspectives. For example, you can ask opinion-based questions or questions that involve sensitive topics like politics or social issues. As the conversation unfolds, notice if the responses lean more towards one side or if they seem neutral. If you detect a bias, it's important to cross-reference these findings with other sources or viewpoints. Additionally, you can use the feedback option to report or flag any biased responses to OpenAI. This helps improve the model over time. Another useful tip is to clear your chat history to see if the responses change or if they remain consistent. To do this, you can find the Settings or Options tab on the ChatGPT interface and choose the Clear History option. This can give you a fresh start and help identify if previous interactions influence the bias. Remember, identifying bias takes time and practice, so engage with ChatGPT using various topics to get a comprehensive understanding. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.